Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Weather report update. It has been raining since Sunday in many districts of South Bengal, including Kolkata. There is no relief on Monday. The Alipur Meteorological Department IMD has forecast similar weather till Wednesday. In these few days, it will rain not only in South Bengal but also in North Bengal. On the other hand, by issuing a special bulletin, the rain alert has been changed from yellow to orange on Tuesday. That means more rain is likely. According to the Alipur, less pressure remains on West Bengal and North Odisha. This is causing strong winds in the state. As a result, the weather office has issued a storm warning with heavy to very heavy rainfall. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Asansol rail service stopped in Asansol at the call of Sanyukt Kisan Morcha against the agriculture bill. Continuing the ongoing agitation against the agriculture bill from time to time, member of the Progressive Farmer Front today staged a protest by blocking the railway line near the Senrele railway overbridge in Asansol town. During this tense, people went to the middle of the railway line. The protested they are demanding concession of the agriculture bill of the three. During this, train service was disturbed at various places of the railway division. This caused the train passenger to face cooking. Ajmer, Sialda and Gaya Asansol passenger stood at a Kulti station. Railway security force removed the protester from the railway track. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Recorded lowest rise in the COVID cases since early March with the 14,146 fresh infection on Sunday. 144 deaths were recorded in the country due to coronavirus, which took the total death count to 4,52,124. The number of active cases have declined to 1,95,846 compromise. 0.57% of the total infection. The national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 98.10%, highest since March 2020. 19,788 recoveries in the last 24 hours took the total number of recoveries to 3 crore 34 lakh 19,749 in India. The daily positivity rate, number of positive rate identified per 100 stand at 129%, less than 3% for last 48 hours. The weekly positivity rate stand at 1.42% in India. Nabi or Eid-e-Milad is celebrated on the occasion of the birthday of Prophet of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad Sahib. The festival is observed by many Muslims. It is also known as Nabi by the name of Milad, Nabi Day, Muhammad's birthday, or the prophet birthday. Mr. Saddam Khan of Insaniyat Welfare Society has extended his best wishes on this auspicious occasion. Audio Vikas Prasad, working editor. Durgapur Temple demolition in Bangladesh. The Purulia district BJP on Monday took on the streets in Bangladesh despite heavy rain in the protest of attack on the Durga temple and Hindus, along with the ongoing injuries across the country.
এবং হিন্দুদের উপর অত্যাচারের প্রতিবাদে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির পক্ষ থেকে আজকের এই অবস্থান বিক্ষোভ কর্মসূচি নেওয়া হয়েছে। এই কর্মসূচিতে সকল হিন্দু ভাইদের বাংলাদেশের হিন্দুদের উপর লড়াই চাই, লড়াই লড়াই লড়াই
Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with current agreement. Z NEET Motion Durgapur Study Center Motion Tower UCP 22 Bengal Ambuja City Center. Call us 94348 22278/89001 Joint movement of CITU and AIKS was carried out in Kajora railway station under Paschim Bardhaman district is respect of Kisan Morcha Rail ROCO movement of demanding of reject 3 black farmer law. Dignitaries present were Gauranga Chatterjee, Meenakshi Mukherjee, Priya Bharta Sarkar, District Secretary of Krisak Sabha AIKS वीरेश मंडल खेत मजदूर यूनियन पश्चिम बर्धमान एंड एक्सेट्रा। Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. For some time now, minority Hindus and Hindu temple in Bangladesh, India's neighbor, have been under constant attack by some extremists. Similar incident came to light during the recently concluded Durga Puja. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/7001967279 8617659448 90 64082784 9641070758. Lawyer was shot dead by a missile in a broad daylight in the Shahjahanpur court on Monday. After shooting the killer, he left Tamcha and left the premises. As soon as the information was received, SPS Anand, DM Indra, Vikram Singh reached the spot. Police are looking for CCTV camera footage. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Todia in protest of attack on farmer in Lakhimpur Kheri of Uttar Pradesh, the Santudi Block Krisak Sabha on Monday organized a 1-hour dharna protest program at Santudi railway station. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Heavy rain and floods wreak havoc on almost the entire country can be seen in apart from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and situation is extremely bad in Uttarakhand. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. CBI court in Panchkula Friday convicted Dehra Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim for the murder of former Dehra manager Ranjit Singh in 2002. Apart from the Dehra head, 4 other Kisan, Krishan Lal, Jasbir Singh, Avatar Singh and Sabdil Singh were convicted by the court in 19-year-old case. One more accused in the murder case had passed away a year ago. The quantum of sentence will be pronounced on October 12 according to the CBI charge sheet. The Dehra chief believed that Ranjit Singh was behind the circulation of any anonymous letter that alleged sexual exploitation of women, including the Dehra headquarters, and therefore hatched a conspiracy to kill him. Gurmeet Ram Rahim is currently in jail after this conviction in 2017 for raping 2 disciplines. As a court declared the accused guilty on Friday, Jasbir Singh, Sabdil Singh, Avatar Singh were present physically, whereas Gurmeet Ram Rahim presently locked in Sunaria jail, Rohtak, and Krishan Lal presently in Ambala jail were represented through their lawyer. After the verdict, Jasbir and Sabdil and Avatar Singh were ordered to be taken into the custody and sent to Ambala jail for pronouncement of quantum of sentence. The court has ordered Dehra head appearance through video link while the other 4 will be present physically. The verdict was delivered Friday after the Punjab and Haryana High Court dismissed a plea by the Jagsir Singh, son of Ranjit Singh, seeking transfer of the case to any other CBI court in Punjab of Chandigarh. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. The body of a young woman was found in the river bank forest near Bedia village of Musafil police station area of Bamka district. Police took the body into custody. On Monday morning, locals saw the body of a young woman in the river bank forest near Bedia village of Musafil police station area of Bamka district. The body of the girl was reported to the police at a desert place. Now I am presenting SMS of news movement. We understand the value of one thing only when we have too much of something else. We understand the value of peace only when we see too much of conflict. We understand the value of silence only when we hear too much of noise. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.